y'all, so today we are going to be doing some shopping. It's freaking hot, but I'm heading to the I'm tired. I'm heading to the department store right now because I'm gonna get some work clothes. I think I need some tops, and yesterday my bag strap broke. Pretty convenient that the day before I'm going shopping my bag decided to break. But anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the department store to get clothes, and then I'm gonna go to the supermarket to get some food items. I actually need a belt, you know. These look like male belts. I want something simple, like probably this one. No, I don't like the buckle. I want something more feminine, but I'll work with it because I really need one. So this store, it has a whole bunch of stuff, and it's very affordable, like super affordable compared to other places in Japan. Water boots. Ooh, this L. Also in Japan, they have like S size, M size, L size. So I usually wear M size or L size because I have small feet, but my feet are broad, so gotta go a little bigger to be comfortable in the shoes. Alright, so I have belt. I need a basket because I'm gonna be buying a few stuff. Okay. I usually get my sheet set in here too. They're usually too small. Futon. Oh, this is a 2,900 yen. I'll support. Like, this place is really affordable, y'all. Yeah, that's why I like to come here, and they have a lot and some nice stuff. Alright, so now to go to the clothes section. Which guy is that? Oh, look what I wore to the people in place. It's hot outside, okay? I wanted something that was simple and easy to take off. This is for 1,500. You know, this looks like something that I could wear to work, but I don't know. I don't know if I would like it though. I'm trying to step outside of my comfort zone, so I'm gonna try this on. These are maybe clothes for funerals, so I don't need any of those. These are nice. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh. I actually was gonna buy something like this, you know, to wear to Disneyland, but Disney did not work out for me. I like this. It's pretty nice. It's big, but this is Japan, you know. Big is normal, wearing big stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. For these 3 tops, I'm not gonna try them on because they are for work, and it doesn't really matter how I look when I'm going to work. Like, as long as I'm covered up and, you know, comfortable, I'm good. I really like this pants, like the design and everything, but it's too big, so I can't take it. Too big. Like, this is me stepping outside of my comfort zone. Big ass pants. I don't know. I get it. It's very big, but this is how the style is. I Like I want to get something like this, something, you know, something Japanesey. But yeah, so no, I guess. So the look that I was going for with this, I don't think my body type can bring it off. So it's a no, but I like this. I like it, but it doesn't look good on me. So this is a no for me. It's a no for me. But I like what they're trying to do here. But I just don't think it would look good on me. Like, no. If I wore this to work, I would blend right in. But I'm not gonna get it. I don't know if I look. It doesn't fit my body how I want it to. Okay, time to find a handbag for work. I want to get something that's big because the one that I had before was too small. I want a black bag. Or even a brown one. This one is cute. I buy a lot of my bags here because again they're very affordable. So definitely, why not? Looking for a big enough bag. Maybe something like this. Okay, this is huge though. And if I carry this, maybe I don't need to carry a lunch kit. Let me see how much for it. I don't like the black one. How much? 2,000. I prefer this one. I think I'm gonna, but I want it black, you know. The black is so much easier. But this color is not too bad. But this looks like a Louis Vuitton bag. The design slightly does. Too small. This is too small. I think I'm gonna just get this one. This brown bag. Okay, it's big enough. Fancy. Ooh. Okay. So they have some really nice sneakers. Like these are cool. I like these. But I'm not here to buy this. But let me just. Oh, I'm not gonna try it on. Ooh, these are cool and very thin. Really nice with skinny jeans. I like. This is cute too. Alright, let me not look at any more of these sneakers. Look for work shoes. Okay. I probably need to get something like this instead of flat shoes. Or even some. No, I don't want anything with heels because I walk sometimes. I have to walk far. My nose be running, yo. Alright. Okay. It's ugly. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's ugly. There are some more work shoes. Ooh. These are nice, but these look quite uncomfortable. Maybe something like this should work. Let's see what size. Up next, Daiso. I need to get. I don't even know what I'm getting in Daiso, but you know, I can't come this close and not head over to Daiso. looking for this thing that you put in like your soap in when you're doing laundry. You put it in so that your clothes can smell really good. It's like, what should I say, it's grainy. I'm gonna, because I thought they had it in Daiso, but I guess not, so I'm gonna have to go to this expensive ass, well, the store is not that expensive, but you know, if I got it in Daiso, it would have been so much cheaper. I thought they had it. Okay, I guess not. I don't see it. I need some more of these dehumidifier, but not yet. Not getting any yet. Panda. Alright, so yes, I can't come in Daiso and not get anything. I can't. I'm gonna go over this side. Wait, let me see if they have any of the wallpaper that I want. Something similar to this, but not this color. I need some more wallpaper. I have to go check the other Daiso. That's where I got them from. Okay. So different Daiso has different stuff. Yeah. Some Daisos are bigger than others. I'm gonna get a cashew nut. I need alcoholic wipes. Just remembered. Alcohol. Let's see. Oh yeah, with alcohol. Okay. All right. Oh, let me just get the peanut. Not peanut, cashew nuts. Since I'm here already. Cashew nut. Cashew. Okay. Perfect. These are no my new favorite thing to eat. And I'm gonna cash out. Alright, so now to get the little grainy stuff, I'm going in this store. Hot jug. Where are they? Oh, in here I need to buy my bug spray when I'm out. Okay, so now I know. Pink mask. These are for 900 yen. That's too expensive, yo. Way too expensive. Alright. Should be close. Skincare products. Oh, they have Gillette. The men out there, Gillette. If you need stuff for your, I don't know, what do you use Gillette for? To when you're shaving or something like that? Anyways, let me go find my product because I am strapped for time right now. So I have work later on, so I have to go home and get something to eat. And, you know, prepare. Where is the darn thing? Alright, I think it probably, oh yeah, it's down there. Yeah, it's down there. I just remembered it's down there because I've been here before. OxyClean. Okay. I didn't even check if I'm supposed to be recording in here, but oh well, I guess. If not, then they'll tell me. Okay. Alright. Where is it now? Should be somewhere here. So this is what I'm looking for, but not this type. I'm looking for, oh, the pink one. Wonder if I should buy a different flavor. Can I smell it? Let me smell it. Okay, nope. I don't like this green smell. Let me smell it. Oh hell no, I don't like this smell. Go for the green one. Oh, the green one actually smell really good. Let me smell the pink one again. I forgot how this smell. I'm going for the pink one. The pink one has the best smell. Alright, so pink it is again. Okay, alright, let's go cash. And then supermarket. Now it's supermarket time. My favorite, but it's so darn expensive. I really love the strawberry flavor, but expensive, yo. Like, look, 229 yen. Too expensive. Now that I'm home, I'm gonna give you guys a better view of the things that I got. So this was for 1,790 yen. This top cost 490 yen, so less than 500 yen for this. It was on sale, and I got this also for 490 yen. This top was for 690 yen. I'm gonna try them on afterwards. This top was for 690, 490. Like I told you guys, this store is pretty cheap, yo. And I got the shoes for 1,790 yen, so less than 2,000 Jamaican dollars for these shoes. And this is what I'm gonna wear like today, because I have to get ready for work in 30 minutes. Next, I got this belt for 670 yen. And of course my handbag for 1,000 something. Oh, actually 2,170 yen. So this is the most expensive thing that I bought today. When I go to work, I look totally different from when I'm going out. So yeah, I wear big clothes, I wear comfortable clothes. Sometimes I can wear like some tight clothes, whatever, so I mix it up. But at the end of the day, I want to be comfortable, because once I'm working, I have to be standing and all of those stuff. So, you know, plus it's Japan, so big clothes is what they wear. These are my two favorite out of everything that I got, because the material is pretty good, like very nice stretchy material. And also I can wear this in autumn, so when it gets cold, a little cold, I can put this on, you know, maybe wear something underneath it, but at least it's still gonna be a little warm, and put my jacket over it. So I really love these two. These two are the best out of what I got. I actually wanted the other pants, but it just didn't fit, and I couldn't find a smaller size. Anyways, so this is the end of the video, guys. Thumbs up if you like this type of video. If you want to see more videos of me shopping in Japan, let me know, of course. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.